Should you drink water with your meal, or is it better to avoid it? This is a question that has been debated for years, with some people arguing that drinking water while eating can interfere with digestion, while others claim that it is not only harmless but beneficial. To truly understand the answer, we must explore the science behind digestion, the role of water in the human body, and the cultural and historical perspectives surrounding this habit. The digestive process begins as soon as we start eating, with enzymes in our saliva breaking down food even before it reaches the stomach. Some argue that drinking water during meals can dilute these enzymes, potentially slowing digestion. However, scientific research suggests that this concern is largely unfounded. The human body is incredibly adaptive, and our stomach acid levels adjust based on food and liquid intake. In reality, water does not significantly interfere with digestion. Instead, it helps break down food, making it easier for our bodies to absorb nutrients. Water also softens food, which can be particularly beneficial for those who have difficulty chewing or swallowing. There is also a common belief that drinking water while eating can lead to bloating and indigestion. While it is true that excessive water consumption may cause temporary discomfort, moderate amounts of water should not have a negative impact. In fact, staying hydrated can prevent issues such as constipation, as water helps move food through the digestive tract more efficiently. Some studies even suggest that drinking water with meals can aid in nutrient absorption by assisting in the breakdown of soluble fiber and other food components. On the other hand, people who suffer from acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, may need to be mindful of how much liquid they consume during meals. Large amounts of water, especially when consumed quickly, can increase pressure in the stomach, potentially worsening reflux symptoms. For these individuals, it may be helpful to drink water before or after a meal rather than during it. However, for most people, this is not a significant concern. Another argument against drinking water with meals is the idea that it can lead to overeating. Some people worry that water may create a false sense of fullness, causing them to eat less than they need, while others believe it does the opposite, allowing them to eat more by making it easier to consume food quickly. In reality, drinking water before or during a meal can help regulate appetite. Studies have shown that drinking water before eating can lead to reduced calorie intake, which may be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. When consumed in moderation, water can help people feel satisfied and prevent excessive calorie consumption. Cultural perspectives on drinking water with meals vary widely. In some countries, it is customary to drink water, tea, or even wine with meals, while in others, it is less common. For example, in Japan, it is more typical to sip on green tea or warm water with meals rather than drinking large amounts of cold water. Traditional Ayurvedic medicine, which originated in India, suggests that drinking water with meals should be done mindfully, recommending warm water rather than cold, as cold beverages are thought to slow digestion. In contrast, Western countries often encourage drinking water with meals as a way to stay hydrated and aid digestion. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Historically, ancient civilizations had different approaches to hydration during meals. The Romans, for instance, frequently drank diluted wine with their meals, believing it aided digestion and provided additional nutrients. In ancient China, herbal teas were commonly consumed with food, as they were thought to support digestion and overall health. The diversity of these practices highlights the fact that drinking liquids with meals is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and individual preferences and health considerations play a significant role. Water's importance in the body cannot be overstated. The human body is composed of approximately 60% water, and it plays a crucial role in nearly every bodily function. From regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients and removing waste, water is essential for maintaining overall health. Given its vital role, it is understandable that people may question when and how much water they should drink to maximize its benefits. Many experts agree that drinking water throughout the day is important, but opinions differ on the best timing. Some nutritionists recommend spacing out water intake rather than drinking large amounts all at once, as this helps the body absorb and utilize it more effectively. Drinking small sips of water during meals can keep the mouth and throat moist, making it easier to chew and swallow food. Additionally, water can enhance the taste of food by cleansing the palate between bites, making for a more enjoyable dining experience. The idea that water significantly dilutes stomach acid and digestive enzymes is largely a myth. The stomach is a highly acidic environment designed to break down food efficiently. Even if water slightly alters the pH balance of stomach acid temporarily, the body quickly compensates by producing more acid as needed. Furthermore, many foods, such as fruits and vegetables, naturally contain high amounts of water, yet they do not seem to interfere with digestion. If drinking water during meals truly disrupted digestion, we would expect to see significant issues in people who consume high water content foods, yet this is not the case. There is also a belief that drinking cold water with meals can slow digestion by constricting blood vessels and solidifying fats, making it harder for the body to break down food. While cold water may slightly slow the digestive process in some cases, the effect is minimal and unlikely to cause significant harm. Warm water or room temperature water may be a better choice for those with sensitive digestive systems, but ultimately, the temperature of the water you drink with meals is a matter of personal preference. So, should you drink water with your meal or not? The answer depends on individual needs and preferences. For most people, drinking water in moderation during meals is not only safe but beneficial. It can help with digestion, prevent overeating, and ensure proper hydration. However, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as GERD, may want to adjust their water intake based on their symptoms. Instead of following strict rules about water consumption during meals, it is best to listen to your body and drink water in a way that feels natural and comfortable. Ultimately, water is essential for good health, and how you consume it should be based on what works best for you. If you enjoy drinking water with your meals and experience no negative effects, there is no reason to stop. If you prefer to drink water before or after eating, that is also perfectly fine. The key is to stay hydrated throughout the day and pay attention to how your body responds to different habits. As with many aspects of nutrition and health, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, and personal preference should always be taken into account. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.